So ladies and gentlemen, here they are, the 2010 Red Arrows. On the team. He's a former Harrier GR7 pilot, served on 1 and 4 squadrons. In fact, he served on 4 squadrons as weapons instructor. And like all Harrier pilots, he's seen several operational tours in Afghanistan, where the job out there is just to support our troops and our coalition allies on the ground in some very difficult circumstances. Team platform's 9 Arrow, that's Baz who's called them into that shape. And I'll also tell you that Baz, who's married to Jenny with a young daughter Olivia, is a keen runner and kite surfer. He's also a keen wearer of his favourite fancy dress costume, which is a Barbie outfit. Believe me, it can make a grown man cry, and we've had to see him wear it 3 times this year already. So ladies and gentlemen, this is 9 Arrow. Formation called Fred. It might sound ridiculous, but it's actually sort of a feathered arrow, and you can see that shape now.